Today, I'll explain you 3 simple points. If you are suffering from any of these, then you should definitely see your sexual health expert today. Point 1. If you notice the strength of the erections are not in the same form, or you're not able to sustain as you were able to sustain for a prolonged period, that is, if it is about 3 to 6 months, the problem is persisting in most of the times when you get intimate with your partner, then you need to visit your doctor. Second, and the most common, which everybody is worried about their performance, how they are doing, about their timing. So today I would like to tell you, if your timing of sexual intercourse is at least 2 minutes, you are in a good place. Yes, just 2 minutes. 2 minutes of sexual intercourse is good enough and called as normal, and there's nothing to worry. But anything lower than that, for the predominant time, again for a few months to years probably, then you need to visit your sexual health clinic, where we can help you understand why it is happening and also work on treating it. Thirdly, and the most common, there are a lot of myths around masturbation. Should I do it? How much should I do it? Is it bad? Daily is good or not good? What is it? When you don't wish to masturbate, but it just like feels like a compulsion. If you don't do it, you don't get a good sleep, you won't feel relaxed, or anything on those lines. Even if you're ignoring your social life or your friends over masturbation, or preferring masturbation over sex at times for a prolonged period of time, that's the time you meet your sexologist and visit the nearest sexual health clinic. If any such doubts, you can do visit me at the clinic or visit our website and book the consultation and get all your questions answered.